If you are over 40, you may have already noticed that small things start to feel different. You stand up from a chair and feel a little stiffness. You twist the wrong way and your back reminds you that you are not 25 anymore. Or maybe you went for a walk and realized your joints do not feel as smooth as they used to. These changes are normal, but they are also signals. Your bones are quietly telling you something. They need support. They need nourishment. They need movement. And the good news is that you can give your bones everything they need without medication. Today on Fitness Tips, I am going to show you how you can boost your bone strength after 40 in simple, science-backed, and natural ways. By the time you finish this video, you will know exactly what your bones need to stay strong, flexible, and healthy for the next several decades. Most people believe that bones just get weaker as we age and that there is nothing we can do about it. But that is not true. You can rebuild bone density. You can slow down bone loss. Some people even gain bone mass in their 50s, 60s, and beyond. It all depends on what you do today. The power is in your hands. So stay with me. Let's start with something many people misunderstand. Understanding why bones change after 40. Around the age of 40, your body begins to lose bone faster than it builds it. This is a natural biological shift. You are not doing anything wrong. Your hormones begin to change, especially estrogen in women and testosterone in men. Both hormones help regulate bone formation. As their levels adjust, bones do not regenerate as quickly as they did when you were younger. Another factor is lifestyle. Many people in their 40s move less than they did when they were 20 or 30. Sitting for long hours weakens the muscles that support your skeleton. And weak muscles mean weak bones. Even though bone loss is common after 40, it is also one of the easiest age-related changes to fight back against. You just need the right combination of food, movement, and daily habits. And every small change you make can build up to stronger bones over time. Point 1. Strengthen your bones with daily weight-bearing movement. Your bones are living tissue. They grow stronger when you place healthy stress on them. That does not mean extreme workouts. It simply means movement that forces your body to work against gravity. This includes walking, climbing stairs, dancing, hiking, squats, lunges, or even simple heel raises. Weight-bearing exercises send a message to your bones that they need to become stronger to support your body. Studies show something surprising. Just 10 to 20 minutes of weight-bearing exercise each day can stimulate bone-building cells. You do not need a gym membership. You do not need expensive equipment. You can build bone strength at home with simple, consistent movement. Imagine an older adult who walks every day versus someone who barely moves. They may be the same age, but their bones look completely different under a scan. Movement truly is medicine for your bones. Point 2. Support bone growth with natural calcium sources. Calcium is the foundation of your bones, but most people do not get enough of it. And here is something important. Natural calcium from food absorbs better than calcium from pills. Foods like yogurt, cheese, milk, tofu, almonds, leafy greens, and sesame seeds are excellent sources. But leafy greens such as kale, spinach, and bok choy are some of the most powerful sources because they contain magnesium and vitamin K. Both nutrients help your body use calcium effectively. Many people take calcium supplements expecting them to fix weak bones, but research shows that calcium supplements alone do not significantly increase bone density. It is the combination of calcium, magnesium, vitamin D, and vitamin K that actually builds stronger bones. Supplements alone will not do the job. But the right foods can. Point 3. Boost your vitamin D levels naturally. Vitamin D is the key that unlocks calcium absorption. Without vitamin D, your body loses calcium even if you eat enough of it. Many adults over 40 have low vitamin D levels without even knowing it. The easiest way to increase vitamin D is sunlight. Just 10 to 20 minutes a day can help your body produce what it needs. If you live in a place with limited sunlight, vitamin D from fatty fish, eggs, or fortified foods can help. Research found that people with low vitamin D have a much higher risk of bone fractures. That means one vitamin deficiency may be quietly weakening your bones. The good news is that it is easy to fix. A little sunlight, a balanced diet, or a safe supplement can make a big difference. Point 4. Strengthen your bones with protein. Many people forget that bones are not only made of minerals. They contain protein. About 1/3 of your bone structure is made of collagen, which gives bones their flexibility and strength. After 40, your body produces less collagen naturally. That is why getting enough protein is essential. Foods like eggs, fish, chicken, beans, lentils, nuts, and Greek yogurt provide the building blocks your bones need. People who do not eat enough protein lose bone density faster, even if they get enough calcium. Protein acts like the scaffolding inside your bones. Without it, the minerals have nothing to attach to. If you want strong bones, you need both collagen and minerals. And that starts with high-quality protein every day. Point 5. Improve bone health with magnesium. Magnesium is one of the most underrated minerals. It works alongside calcium to build strong bones. Without magnesium, calcium cannot enter your bones. Many people over 40 are low in magnesium because stress, poor sleep, and processed foods drain magnesium levels. Foods rich in magnesium include pumpkin seeds, almonds, quinoa, spinach, avocados, and bananas. Adding these foods to your diet can make a real difference. Magnesium also supports muscle function. Strong muscles protect your bones. When your muscles are weak, your bones absorb more impact during daily activities. Magnesium helps both your muscles and your bones stay healthy. Point 6. Improve balance and prevent falls. Strong bones are important, but so is safety. One of the biggest risks after 40 is falling. Falls can cause breaks, especially in the hip, wrist, and spine. You can reduce this risk by improving your balance with simple exercises like standing on one leg, gentle yoga, tai chi, or controlled slow movements. These practices strengthen the small muscles around your joints and help you move with more stability. Better balance not only protects your bones but also improves your posture, gait, and confidence. Point 7. Reduce bone-damaging habits. Some daily habits slowly weaken your bones without you realizing it. Drinking too much soda, consuming excessive salt, smoking, and heavy alcohol intake all drain calcium from the bones. Lack of sleep increases stress hormones that accelerate bone loss. And sitting for long periods weakens the entire support structure of your skeleton. Making small changes such as reducing sugary drinks, limiting alcohol, stretching every hour, and getting enough sleep can help protect your bones. Your body is constantly building and breaking down bone. If you give it the right environment, you shift the balance toward building instead of losing. Let's bring everything into a clear picture. You do not need expensive supplements. You do not need medication unless your doctor specifically recommends it. Your bones respond to simple daily habits. They respond to movement. They respond to sunlight. They respond to nourishing food. They respond to strength training. And most importantly, they respond to consistency. Imagine yourself 10 years from now. Do you want to move freely? Do you want to stay active? Do you want to enjoy life without worrying about fractures or weak joints? The steps you take today decide the kind of body you will live in tomorrow. Your bones are not fragile. They are adaptable. They are strong. They are ready to grow if you give them the right care. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Fitness Tips for more practical, science-based health advice. Share this with someone who needs stronger bones after 40. And remember, you have the power to improve your health at any age. Thank you for watching, and take care of your bones because they take care of you every single day.